Hi, today we're going to talk about multiplying by 100th on the place value chart. Let's start with an easy problem. 3 times 100th, or 0.01. To solve this, I'm going to put my 3 on the place value chart with 3 dots. And then I'm going to take these 3 dots and I'm going to move them to the right 2 times. Multiplying by 100th is the same as multiplying by 1/10 twice. It is also the same as dividing by 10 twice or dividing by 100. So I move 2 times to the right on the place value chart and I get 3/100ths. So 3 times 100th equals 3/100ths. Let's look at a slightly harder problem. Let me delete what we have so far or erase it. All right, let's say now instead of having 3, I have 1.42 that I want to multiply by 100th. The first thing I have to do is write my number on the place value chart. So I have 1, 4 tenths, and 2 hundredths. Now I'm going to need to move everything to the right 2 spaces. And I can already see I have a problem here, so I need to extend my place value chart. And this will be 10 thousandths. I'll just abbreviate there. Okay, so I'm going to move my 2 hundredths to the right 2 spaces. Now I have 2 10 thousandths. Now I'm going to move my tenths to the right 2 spaces, and I have 4 thousandths, 3, 4, and I'm going to move my 1 to the right 2 spaces. It's getting very messy, and I have 100th. So my answer is going to be 0.0. I don't have any tenths. I have 100th, 4 thousandths, and 2 10 thousandths. It's a very small number. Okay. Let's take it one step further. Let's erase this work. Oops, I erased my title too. And let's say I am multiplying 2 times 0.03 instead of 100. What am I going to do? Well, the associative property of multiplication says I can rearrange my factors in a multiplication problem without changing the product. So instead of having 2 times 300ths, I'm going to break 300ths down into 3 times 100th. So 300ths is the same as 3 times 100th. Now I'm going to move my parentheses because of the associative property of multiplication. Now I have 2 times 3 times 100th. Now 2 times 3 is 6, and I have 6 times 100th, and now I have an easy problem to solve. So I'll draw my 6 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And because I'm multiplying by 100th, I move it over 2 spaces to the right, and I now have 6 hundredths, 5, 6. So my answer is 0.06. I hope this was helpful to you. Thanks so much for watching.